Are you ready to unlock the full potential of YouTube TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and answer the frequently asked question. Can YouTube TV be recorded? If you've ever wanted to save your favorite shows, live sports, or special events for later viewing, you're about to discover some practical and easy solutions. Whether you're a cord cutter or just someone who loves having control over their content, this video will guide you through the best methods to legally record YouTube TV. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's dive into it. YouTube TV doesn't have a built-in DVR feature for recording content outside its cloud-based library, but there are external tools and devices you can use. For instance, screen recording software on your computer or smartphone works great for personal use. Just make sure you're following YouTube's terms of service and copyright laws. Alternatively, connecting your streaming device to a DVR-enabled gadget like Tablo or HD Home Run allows you to save shows traditionally. Always double-check local regulations and YouTube's policies to ensure you're staying compliant while recording. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.